Okay, all right, welcome again to this video. In this training video I want to show you a simple um practical on how you can create a Linktree account. Like what we need to do, I need to go to a Linktree surface so that I will explain to you what the Linktree is all about. I will need to go to my Chrome now. Once I come to my Chrome, I open new tab, then I'll type there Linktree, Linktree dot. Okay, let's just go with this. Here is the site. Okay, all right, so I want to take you through the practical step from signing up to on how you can create a profile. Like what Linktree does, Linktree allows you to add your social media account in one place. It's just like the way to create a one page website that simply talks everything about you or your social media handles. So what you need to do now, after you have come to this surface, you need to come to this sign up here. So once you come to this sign up, and you need to put the email which you would like to use to sign up. Then here is my email. I'll click on this continue, then I'll choose a password. So I'll click on this create account. So after they have generated a URL for me. So here is my URL. Have you see? Claim your free link in bio. I'll click on continue now. So I need to wait for it to load. So it has loaded already. So they need a verification code. So I will need to move to my email now to get a verification code. Please just follow me up closely. I need to move to my email. All right, here is the email. All right, the code is 656295. All right, here is the code. I'll click on continue. Sorry, the verification 656295 656295. Why? Okay, 656295. Incorrect verification code. Really sorry, I need to. Okay, 237014. They have sent another code again. 237014. All right, let's check this one. Okay, all right, here is the they'll ask you which best describe your goal for using Linktree. So as for me, I'll need to go for build my following and explore my monetizing audience. Okay, I'll need to go with this one, which is the personal. Have you seen? I'll need to go with this personal. Okay, top. Okay, pro for free. Okay, I'll need to go for this join for free. I need to choose this one. All right, have you seen it has opened? So after it has opened like this, what you need to do now, you need to choose a template that you need to use. As for me, I will need to check the template that is suitable to me. All right, let's check. Maybe I'll need to go for something like this. Wait, I've seen the one that I would like to go for. Maybe I would like to go for this one. I'll just point that one, then start with this template. So I'll now choose the platform which I would like to use. I'll choose the platform, like the social media platform which I would like to use. Website, let's check. Link there is not there. All right, X. Okay, I'd like to go for this. All right, I'll click on continue. So have you see, I would like to, okay, website. Okay, all right. So what I'll need to do now, I'll need to go and bring my social media link, like my social media link. I'll put all the link here. So just follow me closely. I have write everything down, like I have copied everything and paste on my notepad. So here is Facebook. I'll need to copy it. You just need to copy. I've copied Facebook. I'll come here, paste Facebook URL. Then I'll copy WhatsApp. I'll copy WhatsApp and come here and paste WhatsApp URL. Then I'll copy Instagram and come here and paste Instagram URL. Then I'll copy Twitter. I'll copy Twitter, come here, paste a Twitter URL. Then I'll need to copy, after Twitter is YouTube, copy YouTube, paste my YouTube URL. Then I'll copy, after YouTube is TikTok, copy TikTok, paste my TikTok URL. Then after that I'll copy the website. Just know this is the short website that talks something about me. I create this website with cat.co. So I'll paste the website here. Still have another website that talks about my digital business, but maybe let me check if I will still need to put it here. All right, here is the website. I need to copy it again. I need to bring it here. Let's check. Add your own website. Have you seen? So here is the process. So you need, I have added everything now. Have you seen? So you need to click on continue. Then you click on continue, finding your content. So you need to wait for it. Okay, profile title. The title should be Samuel Edit. Let's say that's my name. Then I will need to go and copy my write-up. I need to copy my write-up and then come here and paste as my bio. Have you seen? So that's just the thing. Then I'll need to click here to upload my picture. Okay, I'll need to, okay, after that, okay, I'll need to go with this color. I'll need to go with this color. Click on continue, updating your link tree. So that's how it is. So have you seen how everything is? Samuel Edits, online entrepreneur, digital market. Have you seen? So this is just the process. This is just the process. So I need to come here. Okay, I need to click on this continue building. Have you seen? I'll click on this continue building. Cancel. I don't need this. So have you see, everything is intact now. I need to come here again. You see, upload your own image. I need to upload my image. Then I'll click on here. It will take me to my files. Then I'll check the image I would like to use. Let me go for this. No, I don't really like this one. Don't really like this one. There's a particular image that I like to use. All right, it's like I can find it now. See it here. So I'll need to click on this done. All right, I don't want to, okay, then I'll click on upload. Click on upload. Click on, okay, have you seen? So I'll need to click on preview first. Have you seen how it is? So here is how it is. So this is just the simplest step. You can just come here and copy the link. You copy the link here. Once you copy the link and go to your WhatsApp or your bio and paste the link there. Now I can just come here now to paste the link here. Once you paste the link here, if anyone click this link, this how it will take the person like this. Have you seen? So This is just the simplest step which you can use to create your link tree. You can decide to change to any background that is suitable to you. You can decide to change. So that is just for that. This is just the simplest method on how you can create your Linktree profile account. Thanks for watching.